Are you suffering from stubborn side belly fat, which is often called the love handles or the muffin top? It goes all the way around your back, and this very area looks so bulky and just bulges out, the jiggling fat of your clothes, which you finally are thinking of getting rid of because it's summer. So I'm here to show you some simple, easy, sustainable, doable, completely beginner friendly. Wait till you watch it. You can actually sit in this position and finally have a slim waist and tone and tighten your abdominal muscles and get a slim waist. I'm sitting on the floor because according to Indian culture, this is our most preferred asana, which is called the Sukhasana. If you don't prefer sitting like this, you can actually sit on a couch, a chair, or maybe your bed. I get many queries day in and day out where people actually suffer terribly not being able to wear their favorite clothes. They don't have positive body image. They just feel, I wish we had something they could get rid of this very fat. Now come below in the comment section and let me know for how long have you been carrying this extra weight around your waist area. I need to understand, do you have a stress belly? Are you taking too much of stress? You're doing a lot of stress eating, which is causing this fat. Is it a hormonal belly? Is it because of your raging hormones or some problem, a hormonal imbalance? Or is it because of your genetics? So don't forget to comment below and tell me which one of these three reasons is your reason to have this ugly fat hang along your belly, which I'm going to help you get rid of today. So let's begin this simple and easy exercises finally to get rid of your side belly fat, also commonly known as the love handles. You have to sit with your back absolutely straight, your shoulders pushed backwards, your core should be tight. That is what the most important thing is. Your core muscles should be activated while you're doing these very exercises. Now you have to twist all the way you can to this side. I'm touching this hand almost in line with my spine, and I'm stretching this so I can feel the stretch around this very area. This is exactly what you have to do. Do as many reps as you can in the daytime. This is the easiest exercise you can ever find all across YouTube to finally get rid of your side belly fat. And the simplest of rules you need to follow is you have to be empty stomach when you're doing this. So I usually prescribe to do this very exercise early in the morning because of course you've just slept through the night and it's so easy to just wake up fresh and get your body to do some exercise. But if in case you do not get the time, you can also do it in the evening, which is 2 hours about your supper. Well done. Now that you've seen the 5 essential exercises which are surely going to get rid of your stubborn belly fat, you also need to join at least some healthy eating pattern. Now, how do you do that? For that, first of all, you can take my help and join my very weight loss program, which the link is given in the description below, which will have a customized recipe made diet plan according to your likes, your dislikes, your daily routine, and which will also include a calorie counted meal plan, which will encourage you to walk your daily steps, drink the adequate amount of water needed, sleep properly at night, because you will be monitored on the app with the help of my team. So if you feel the need to join the weight loss program, don't forget to contact me with the link given below in the description. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.